Vlog week number 3, baby. Let's get it. Right now we have the Subaru all pulled in. We are actually taking the Pitbike to finally get redone. So I am super excited. I hope you guys are too. So we are changing it up for 2022. Gotta do a different graphics set, different plastics, a few other minor changes. We gotta fix some stuff on here as well as do an oil change and clean the air filter and that kind of thing. Now the only part that I'm actually missing is the front springs. I am gonna get larger front springs and dampening rods. So that's the only part we're not gonna do today, but everything else, this bike will look totally different and just be ready for the 2022 season. Now I don't have an update for the JR yet, just because it's kind of hard to source plastics and graphics kits for these. So Luke actually stuck a Super ATV sticker on it. So I mean, it looks good for what it is right now, but the truck is actually being occupied because it is the same day that we are putting the new motor into the Jeep right there. So first things first, we got to get this pit bike mounted up on the back of the car. I have not done it yet with the new suspension on it and the new wheels and tires, so it's gonna scrape probably a lot and I'm not stoked for it, but we got a bunch of parts we got to put in here, such as these two right here. So I'm excited. I got some parts already in the car, and let's get this thing loaded. We got a lot of work to do. And just like that, we're all loaded up. It's probably gonna go somewhere. Probably not gonna go anywhere. But we have all these parts right here. Probably gonna take some simple green with this, but we got brake pedals and pegs and brakes, and we need all that stuff. So I'm gonna throw this into the car. I probably should have done that before I put the bike on there. We'll put it in the backseat. Anyway, regardless, let's go ahead and throw all these parts in here as well, and we should be good to go. Let's do it. Kyle, what are we doing?
Got to the fuzzy hole. It is 3:45 on a Friday.
Why is he waving?
And our boys are drunk.
How do you get in this?
I don't fucking know.
Now, you guys have been killing the vlog weeks ever since I started them, and I couldn't be more appreciative of it. So I just wanted to stop real quick just to let you guys know that I appreciate you guys and all the support you've given me recently. I think they're a cool new way just to show my life and as well as keep you guys updated. So I know there's a lot of funny stuff that goes on in my life, and so for me to be able to capture that and put it like in the vlog and be able to just throw in random clips here and there, really cool. So let's get to Chick-fil-A and then head to Jake's house, because Jake's gonna be one that actually helps me out. So let's freaking do it. Boom! What's up, Chick-fil-A? Jake's got the new crib. What's up?
Yo.
What you wearing?
Finally made it. You like it?
Yeah.
Got it out in Colorado.
Yeah? Are we doing this all right here? It just told me to go to that house for some reason.
Rumor has it there's a drug house right there. And so it's usually the other way around. Usually everybody's pulling in my driveway. And I'm like, nah, man. Got the wrong guy.
All right, let's do this thing. Come here, I gotta tell you something, bro.
Box are gonna get wet and it's cold outside.
Dude, how are you, brother?
Dude, it's good. Wait, this is weird. We're touching again.
Yeah, whoa.
Oh,
Whoa.
Hey.
Dude, how was off-roading with Brayden?
Good, it's a little bit clapped. As you can tell, I destroyed my fender.
You know why that happened, right?
Yeah, because I flipped the bike.
No, you forgot to put it in trail mode, dude.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Did you wear your roost protector?
Yeah.
Your roost deflector?
I did. I wore the roost deflector, yeah.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah.
No, yeah, 100% this thing's completely clapped, yeah.
All right, let's go inside. It's cold.
What are y'all doing, jamming out in here?
Jamming.
Do y'all have like office parties now when I'm not here?
Oh, no, yeah, we don't work anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we don't get any.
I saw y'all don't post anymore, so that's part of it. Howdy! Alright, so as Jake wipes it off, I didn't ask him to, I promise you guys that. I mean, it's not like we need it dry because we're literally just going to be putting these plastics back
Dial it in, man. Gotta dial it in.
Jake's actually going to the pit bike race this weekend. I will probably be putting it in this vlog, but he's got his bike all souped up. You and Mo just like look the exact same with your bike setups, man. You freaking Cole Seeley wannabes.
Don't compare me to Mo.
Hey,
I'm better than Mo.
Have you ridden his bike yet?
Dude,
Dude, that thing's
nasty.
stupid. It's stupid. But yeah, we are redoing all the plastics, graphics. What else I got? I got a peg carrier, brake pedal, and yeah, it's gonna be basically a brand new bike. I told him already that I don't have front springs yet. Do you have front springs on yours? Yeah, no, that's my next step. Do you have a upgraded rear shock?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, you need
It's just
it.
a BBR spring.
Yeah. So I think what I'm gonna do is the front shocks, or I guess the springs, right? Springs and probably
Springs and
one.
dampening rods.
Are you gonna do? Should I do both dampening rods or just?
Oh, yeah.
You think
Definitely do both dampening rods.
And both
you might
springs?
just want one spring, maybe.
I do want the two.
2022, man. Miller's sending it big, dog.
That's what they say. That's what they're saying.
We're not rolling stuff anymore.
Sending it. Also, you don't have a 38 tooth on that, or a 40 tooth, because it is impossible to find.
I got a 40 on that.
No, you don't. There's no way.
I'm telling you what.
There's
look,
no
check it
way.
out.
There is absolutely no way.
I got the only one that's in stock.
No, you got the only one that is in existence.
Right there.
How did you get a 4? I've looked on eBay, Faster
But I
Minis,
bought mine 3
T-Bolt.
months ago.
Yeah.
I was proactive.
Now it's impossible.
It's impossible now because I
Yeah.
bought the last one.
So let's take this apart and just get started on it. Alright, we got all this off. Oh, we forgot a one piece, brother. The gas tank cover. Or is this? Wait, no, we just take the graphics off. I'm pretty sure.
Yep.
We just take the graphics off. Yeah, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot.
Check it out.
Look at that. It's so much lighter, and that's actually a cool graphics kit. But I did get a cooler number this time. You're supposed to do 3 numbers. I didn't know that. And
3 numbers worth. Huh?
yeah, 3 numbers. So what number are you? 195? Lightning McQueen? You know what I'm saying?
Lightning McQueen.
So yeah, you wanna take that out? Do the pleasure.
First graphics.
Complimentary of eBay. Oh, this is gonna look so good.
Got some
Kinda
mini
cool.
plates in there too.
Yeah, dude, I think it's gonna look pretty clean.
It's gonna look pretty cool.
It's gonna look cleaner this year. We're kind of keeping it simple. 129.
Simple
you know?
is better.
Yeah.
Simple is way better.
All right, let's try it.
People try to do too much.
I mean,
sometimes.
honestly, it doesn't. It's not that far off, and I think it's gonna be.
Oh, it's gonna fucking. That
Oh,
looks
dang! I kinda did something here.
dialed.
Dialed. All right, let's get these plastics unbagged and on the bike. Look who decided to show
You
up.
got your shoes on.
You
Ready for a strike?
Jeez.
Hey, yo, I got the camera a strike.
All right, that's it.
Kiss the bowling ball for me. What are y'all talking about?
Oh, dude, you got it.
I got cocky there for a second. He's gonna gutter it.
We out here. We out here. I have a lot of vlogs on there.
All right, Christian, let's see it.
Wait, is it my turn?
Let's see it.
Wait.
Why is it
Ready?
zooming in?
Y'all ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, wait, they're not ready.
Yeah, they're ready.
No, they're not. Oh, they're ready. Dang it! What was that? Dang it!
All right, Miller, get this dog.
All right, let's see it. Let's see it, man. Let's see
Let me
it.
show you how. Let me show you how to bowl. Yeah.
Did,
If I get a strike, you gotta get merch.
Okay.
If you get a strike, you gotta text that girl.
Yeah.
Dude, nobody's ever seen first person bowling.
Yeah, 'cause you can't come.
Yo! No! All right, Christian, let's see it. Couldn't clean it up. Couldn't clean it up. All right, I just want to show you guys before we put the graphics on. The graphics aren't actually as busy as those were, but this thing looks just so raw. It's definitely like a concrete color, and it looks so sick, just clean. Like, it would be sick with just CRF, and then numbers. And I think that's about what it is. It's nearly that. So this is gonna be sick and I'm excited for it, man. This thing looks so good. So we just got the brake pedal, the brand new brake pedal on, so much better. That one's actually super bent, like as you guys can literally tell. We've got the rear brakes on, front brakes looked fine. We just adjusted the cable a little bit, but we were like, okay, are we forgetting anything before we put this back together? And I forgot that I got a whole new peg carrier for your pegs, because this one's just, I hit a stump with this one and this one's just bent from hell. We're gonna have to take the brake pedal back off because we gotta do this before we do that. No words. So that's where we're at right now. I haven't been vlogging that well because we're trying to just knock it out. It's freezing cold outside and raining. So yeah, so we're gonna get this done and then we're gonna catch you guys back up once we're about to install graphics. All right, so this is what was wrong, as you guys can tell. You'll see them both flat. Look how much bent back this one is versus that one. Like, that is the same angle, same everything. Just look how much bent back that is.
The stumps don't move, man.
The stumps don't move.
Stumps don't
that
move.
is what happens when you're running from Nathan Parker right there. All right, guys, it's a little dark in here now, but got the first graphic on right there. And then look at that. We're finally doing graphics. It actually, without the light on, it actually matches really well. But with the light on, you can kind of see it's a little different, but like, it looks pretty freaking good. Jake's god tier at this apparently, and so he's ripping and chipping and potato dipping. So we're gonna keep at it and keep putting her on. It's gonna look so freaking good, dude. Oh my god, look at that! Look at that!
Hi, this is Miller Coakley on his sixth inning. He just gutter balled it.
He said, well, "Where's the record button?" I don't know where that is.
All right, buddy, it's all you. It's down to the final inning.
Ah, it's not happening.
Miller, what was that?
Next game, I got.
What was that?
I got a spare. By a spare, I mean one.
You're live.
I tried.
All right, let's see it, boys. While the music's soft. All right, both
And the left
gutter balls.
Wait, we got one more track.
All right, let's see it. Round two.
Ready?
Yep. Jeez. This is for the views, right? If I get a strike, you have to like the video. That ball was so heavy.
What was that?
Good. I got one pin.
What's up, dude? You getting centis right now?
I'm hacking into the mainframe. It's Christian's turn.
Are you getting the shot?
Wait, did you charge the mic?
Did you charge the mic? Ready? Damn it.
You throwing two? All right.
Hey, yo! Put some pants on, dude! Where's your pants at, dude? Where's your pants at? So, guys, I'm gonna show you here in the dark. Got one panel left to do, but it is looking so freaking sick. See if I can turn this light on if it'll help. Not really, but it's looking rad. And I can't wait to show you guys. So I'm gonna pull it out tomorrow morning when it's actually light outside and you guys can actually see. So we're gonna finish this up and get back to it in the morning. Alright, so that didn't actually happen. So I finished that video last Thursday or Friday, and I'm actually in Daytona right now filming for Haley and Chase. Didn't get to finish this video before I left, and I didn't realize I'd have to edit this while I was in Florida. So hope you guys have enjoyed this one. We had a lot of fun bowling and goofing off with Kyle, Braden, Garrett, and building the bike with Jake. Huge shout out to him for helping me build that. But we have some good stuff planned to film when I get back. We get back around 3 on Saturday, and then we're filming Saturday evening and filming on Sunday. So 2 new videos for next week, and I hope you guys are excited for those because they'll be pretty sick. But I did want to come on here and say thank you guys real quick for 70,000 subscribers. That is so crazy that I've hit 70,000 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Let's get to 100K because that's going to be an awesome achievement for me. So got some good stuff in the works. Doing some scheming with some projects that I've been waiting to do for you guys. So stay tuned. I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos. This one was a lot of fun, and I will see you guys on Tuesday, as promised. I'll see you guys later.